Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making some curry chicken foot with butter bean and white rice. I will go through the steps of how I prepare my version of this meal, and I hope you enjoy it. So what I have here is my seasoned chicken foot. I washed it. I cut the toes off, the nails off the toes, and I left it in some lime water for a bit. Then I drained it off and I seasoned it with these seasoning, some chicken season, all-purpose, garlic and ginger, and I put some crushed pimento seed on there and a little bit of curry powder. Also, I cut one onion, some thyme. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I've got some thyme in there and some scallion as well, and I have half of pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. So over here I have my Dutch pot with some hot oil, a small amount of oil. Too much grease is not good. And basically the oil is ready, and I will now add some curry powder in the oil, burn it for a little bit, because as you can see, this is not the right color that we're looking for with curry. I just put a small amount there. So as you can see, I've put the curry in the oil to burn for a little bit. There it is. And then in a moment I'll be placing the chicken foot into the pot, but I'll just wait a minute. Because I have the stove on and the oil get too hot, so I have to turn off the stove a little bit. Otherwise it'll burn up the curry if I throw it in immediately. So I'm going to turn off the stove a little bit, and then when I thought it was cold enough, I pour the curry in. So now as you can see, it's starting to bubble. So now the oil just get hot enough again. So I'm going to empty the content of my bowl into the pot of I'm just going to mix that. So here we have our empty bowl, and the chicken foot is now in the pot. I've incorporated the seasoning, mixed it around a bit, and I'm going to put the lid on and leave it for like 5 minutes to go and catch color. And then I'll come back and add, I've got the kettle water boiled, so I'm going to add the water to the bowl to just rinse it out, make it get some more seasoning and flavor into the pot. Don't want to waste all that seasoning there. So I'm just going to put all the water in the bowl and use it to wash out all of the seasoning out of the pudding pan. Use a spoon to just rinse out the sides. Yeah, you can see all the steam because I've just boiled the kettle. And after 5 minutes, I'll just pour that into the chicken foot. So the chicken foot's been simmering in the pot for like 5 minutes in the oil and the curry. So now I'm going to pour our water. So I had it on low heat earlier. I'm going to turn it up a bit more now. Pull back the lid and just leave that to cook, to boil. Check the water in a bit. I'll check on it in about 20 minutes to see if all the water has boiled out and to check if it started to cook. If it's still tough, which 20 minutes is not enough time to cook chicken foot, so I will be adding a bit more water and make it go and boil down. Yep. Overall time it takes to cook maybe 1 hour, but I'll let you know in the end. So this is where it's at now. It's been cooking for 30 minutes and see the chicken foot is still tough already. So the water has boiled down a bit. So I'm going to pour some more water in there. And leave it for another 30 minutes. So I put a little piece of thyme, a half a onion and 1 stalk of scallion. Like, I seasoned it earlier and I left it to marinate for like 3 hours before I started cooking. But see, most of them cook out now. And ground spice, ground seasoning, add more flavor to your food than the powder seasoning. So these things will just add a bit more flavor. So there it is. So I'm going to leave that to cook again for another 30 minutes, and then I'll show you where we are in the progress. So here I have 2 cups of rice, basmati rice. I will be washing this 3 to 4 times and then put it in my rice cooker. So I'm having rice with along with the curry chicken foot. So see, I've washed the rice 4 times and the water is quite clear. I have 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of water. I'm gonna put some salt. Just sprinkle a little. And about a tablespoon of butter. Put my lid on. So rice is now cooking. So it's been cooking for 1 hour 15 minutes now, and the water is coming down. And the chicken foot are almost ready. How do I know it's ready? It comes off. I can take the little meat off the bone very easy. So that means it's cooked. I have 1 tin of butter bean. I will pour the water off. Yeah. Pour out the water. Just empty it into the chicken foot. And I'm going to leave that to cook again, maybe until the gravy go down so it's nice and thick. I'll let you know I'll show you what that looks like. when it's ready. So just a quick checking in. It's been cooking for 1 hour and 30 minutes now. See the pot a bubble like trouble. Too much juice, too much gravy. So I'm just waiting for it to go down a bit more and to thicken up a bit more. See, Chickenfoot, very soft. That's how I like it. I like, you know, say I'll be a bone and all if I make this. So I like it very soft so that you just suck off the meat off of the bone, easy peasy. So guys, it's come to an end now. See, while the water boiled down, and now I have nice thick gravy. So the rice is ready as well. So I'll just plate that up and let you see.